Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 controller not working. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. In settings, you wanna click on Bluetooth and devices, and you wanna find your wireless controller. Click on three dots and click remove. And after it's gone, the next thing you wanna do is you wanna click on Bluetooth here, click add devices, Bluetooth, and now press the start button and home button. And after you have done that, click on, after you have removed it, you want to click add device and then click Bluetooth and press the home button and select button on your Windows or on your PS5 controller, and it will say pair device. And it says B DualSense controller is paired. You can also try plugging in the controller. Also, what I suggest you do is after you connect the controller, what I suggest you do is first start the game from either Xbox app or Steam. And while you're in the game, then you go through the step. Go to Bluetooth, remove the existing controller and then add the new one, like remove it from device and then add it back, and then hopefully that should fix your issue, or just try playing with the cable and hopefully that helps you fix the issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 controller not working. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.